How to fix how many dudes is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, open up the properties window, go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish. Now you want to go back to the general tab, and in the launch options box you want to add -dx11. Then you can close this, and then you want to open up a new browser tab, and in here you want to basically search for Redist. Click on the first link, and then from the second table here you want to download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables. And once you finish installing these, it will ask you to restart your computer, so you should restart it after the installation. And then you want to check if you have the latest graphics card updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you will need to go to nvidia.com and download the NVIDIA app from here. And then you can go to the drivers tab and select game ready driver, and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. And once you finish that, you will need to open up Steam as admin. So you can search for Steam, right click and run as admin. And then you can open up the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.